Hi, this is the Daddy and Daughter
The Daddy and Daughter cooking
show.
Starring me, the daddy.
Starring Hannah, the daughter.
Today why don't you show what we're making?
Today we are going to be making cheesesteak.
Here's the steak.
With the
Cheese comes
mushrooms,
later with mushrooms.
onions, peppers. So obviously we are going to be making cheesesteak. So first you cut up some onions, and not too small, but you cut up the mushrooms small, medium.
Never mind.
Because you also cut up the peppers, but not too small. Or else, I don't know what else, but so first you have 3 pans, one's a big one for the steak. Get as many
Steak and
mushrooms.
mushrooms.
Get as many mushrooms and steaks as you can.
We cut up 1 onion, 1 pepper,
and
about 5 or 6 mushrooms.
and steak. So you have to cook them
Over high heat.
over high heat. Yes. And at the end it will come out super good. When you pop the second ingredient you definitely need is bread. A roll of bread for your bread.
And don't forget,
Cheese.
because without cheese, it's not a cheese steak.
Funny joke. So, after your steak, your onions, and your peppers all are done, well, while you're stirring, you have to make them around a little bit while they're cooking.
You get a little. Want me to do that while you talk?
Sure. Okay, so while the steak is done, and the mushrooms and the peppers and the onions are all done, you have to pop them into the bread, and then you melt the cheese in the bread so the cheese will melt by itself and not in the microwave or anything. So we're just cooking right now. Also, while it's cooking, you have to stir it a little bit. You have to stir it well so it cooks more. Get the pepper.
Hey, do you know where cheesesteaks came from?
Where?
They came from Philly. Philadelphia. No, they really did.
They really did come from Philadelphia? You just said it.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia cheesesteaks. You know where steak comes from? Cows.
Yeah.
And cheese, it's just dairy.
Also comes from cows.
Also comes from cows. Oh, so that's probably why I put it all together. So while my dad is just stirring around the steak and the mushrooms, I'm going to be stirring the onions and peppers. So we're gonna use the fast thing for a second. So hold on.